Thank you so much, viewers who are watching us. I am called Issa Roberto Mayanja. I'm the head coach of Elman FC. The feeling of the game that we are going to play tomorrow, I know every team is prepared, but I have a feeling that my team is prepared better, and I hope that we are going to have a good result. We do have some challenges. Some players are injured. They have injured, but the doctor has been assessing them, which is good. And some of them we are not going to use him into this match, but the rest are fine, and we hope they are going to appear at the lineup. Yeah, it has been a long journey and hard work, but all of us together, me and the team, we hope that we shall have success tomorrow as we work as a team. Yeah, we really have hope because due to the players that we have young players, and also we have a few experienced players, and we hope that we shall push forward and move forward and see better results this season. Thank you so much. I remain as a head coach of Elman FC.